What's up guys, Aaron here, back with another video. In today's video we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at the smart keyboard for the 12.9-inch Apple iPad Pro coming up. Welcome back and let's get straight into it. In terms of the unboxing, we get a nice presentation from Apple with a picture of the smart keyboard on the front with the words Apple iPad Pro Smart Keyboard. Lifting the lid on the box for the very first time, we're presented with the keyboard itself, wrapped in protective packaging. The Apple Smart Keyboard is a full-size keyboard with the emphasis on portability. The interior portion of the keyboard has a microfiber lining, and it fully attaches to the iPad Pro via a smart connector. And the exterior portion of the case feels extremely soft. Opening up the keyboard for the very first time, we're presented with a piece of protective film covering up the keys. And after removing it, you can see just how nice that full-size keyboard looks. Also included inside of the packaging is another small box that has a pamphlet that lets us know the different ways that we can use the smart keyboard. Without further delay, let's go ahead and install our 12.9-inch iPad Pro via the smart connector. The case looks and feels great and adds little to no weight to the iPad Pro. I just wish that the back of the iPad Pro was protected. After folding the iPad Pro into the proper typing position, you can see just how nicely that full-size keyboard stretches across the whole screen on the 12.9-inch iPad Pro, making it really feel like a laptop. This is just an unboxing video, however I will be doing a full review of this smart keyboard case, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that content. Don't forget to smash that like button down below and subscribe to the channel. As I mentioned earlier, my name is Aaron and I'll see you guys on the next one.